Look at his tail wagging. You about ready to get yourself clean, huh? Get your feet and stuff clean. It's been a while, ain't it? It's been a while. Courtney ain't did this in 2 weeks or more.
Come on, Mr. Shadow.
You're like, girl, you tripping right now. You see his face? This is crazy. Like,
come here, Shadow.
go to Courtney. It's early. Go to Courtney. Go to Courtney, boy.
Come here, Shadow.
Go on here.
Good boy. Let's get your paws clean. You gonna be a good boy?
Yeah, you gonna be a good boy.
I need to powder you down as well.
Powder you down. I really need to powder you down. Get this powder on my town. That didn't make no sense. That didn't make no sense.
First paw. First paw in. It was really windy.
A windy day. Shadow, you look like you just woke up, bro. What's going on with you?
You've been up.
Oh, yeah, that feels great. Oh, yeah.
We got first paw.
Shadow, you look crazy, man. Get between my paws real good. I like how that feel.
Hey. You gotta be there. Oh, thank you, Shadow.
You're welcome, but you need to know clean these paws is real.
All right. Now we got the back paw. No. Don't lick it. Okay.
You spilling, got to take a lick of this good, tasty, sour cleaner.
No.
As long as you don't get
Two
none
paws
of
down,
it
don't leave.
on my wiener.
Come on. Be a good boy. I know.
Sure, I don't feel like doing this.
Well, I'm glad that we're getting it done. After this Shadow is one more paw. Okay. One more paw. Come here. Let me do this back paw since you're standing up. That would be awesome. That's what you need to start doing from now on. Stand up just like this. And your back paw.
Shadow don't look like he proud of you, Courtney. She don't care, Shadow.
At all.
Why he looking like this?
See? Now we done with the washing of the paws, Shadow.
Sit.
Come on, sit.
Go to Courtney.
Shadow, come here.
Go to Courtney and finish your day. Finish your stuff.
Come here, Shadow. Come on. Be a good boy. Come on. Come on, sit down. Come here. Come here, Shadow. Stop being a bugger. It's okay.
She finna powder you out, bro. You just out of it today, man. What's going on? I think the morning time is the best time to do this to him every time.
Yep.
Because he ain't all playful and crazy. Like, get right there. Oh, yeah. Okay, why did you stop? There you go. Yeah. Thank you, Courtney.
Let's get some on your chest, Shadow. Good boy. See?
Shadow, what are you so tired for? Oh, waking up in the middle of the night, waking me up at 2 o'clock in the morning, talking about you gotta use the bathroom. Well, go outside. That wind powerful. Is that what's scaring you? Is you scared?
Don't be scared.
Nah, I'm just tired.
Good boy. Good boy, Tattle.
Early in the morning, y'all want to do this stuff. And this is how my mama did me. Early in the morning, she want to wash my face and put, make me take a bath, putting baby oil all over my body. You think she knew Diddy or something?
Oh, Larry. Don't start talking about that mess.
Oh, that's all you like to talk about. Now you don't want to talk about it. She's a wild, gangly supporter. Look at that beautiful, sad face. If y'all want to donate to Shadow, it's a way to do it. Should be somewhere, so he can get some toys or something. Yeah, I want him to have some special type of bones. Let us know.
There you go. Now. Oops, sorry.
One of those legs itching and stuff.
Yeah, over here. Oh. Poor stuff. He act like I'm just so out of it. Really just out of it. On the next thing, I need some wipes so I can mess with your ears. Maybe I'll do that later. Larry hasn't shared you.
Yeah, and what's happening? Nothing.
Yeah, a lot of hair is coming out.
Oh,
No.
I told you about that shit and stuff, Shadow. Don't do it.
Thank you. No, I know you like the shower because it's getting all down into the skin and everything. Look, he like, yeah, like it's so much all the way down.
Make sure you get the back of his butt and stuff, Corey. I'm halfway through the situation. You gotta go full throttle blast. There you go. Shadow, what is up with you, bro?
Probably just the weather.
The weather.
Tired.
Getting that rump. You ever had what's it called? Some meat that's in with rump, roast rump. I think that's a butt.
That comes from the cow. I think they use that for a certain, stew.
Shawty, you want some rump? Some roast? What's it called?
Rump roast.
You want some rump roast? Nope. You want some chicken wings? Look at him like, yeah. You might have to take out some chicken wings tonight, Courtney.
I'm shocked. You want chicken wings?
I told you it's not. Look, Courtney likes to cook. She would eat chicken wings every day of her life if she could. I got to a point where it's a no go. It's ridiculous. Let's eat something else. Now it's been probably about a week or two since we had chicken wings. I'm fine with it now. It's like, okay.
It's been about 3 weeks.
Yeah, so that's fine now. It's like, okay, chicken wing time. Because Shadow be tickled pink about them chicken wings. I give him the bones. I used to not give him the bone marrow, but I was told that, Larry, give him the bone marrow. Give the dogs the bone marrow. That's what they want it for.
A little extra.
I bite a bone and crack it open and suck the meat up out of it. Y'all don't know it's bone inside. It's meat inside bone.
Ooh, dirty bone.
Recording. Oof. Shout like, ooh, she okay? Yeah, man, she's in pain. You know that. You know that. Shadow. Shadow. What you finna do? I know you ain't finna go to sleep, bro. Shadow, you was up late last night messing with me. That's why you sleepy now, and I'm up. You gotta know when to fold, bro. You supposed to have went to sleep last night, but you chose to stay woke. We have to deal with the consequences of our decisions. And now you know the truth. The truth is, go to sleep. Waking me up talking about you got to poop is crazy. Yeah. Wake on up. There go Courtney. What's up with this powder? Shadow. You want something to eat? You hungry? You want some food? You want some water?
It is cloudy outside.
Mm-hmm. Shadow, you are boring, bro.
Because it's early morning. Go and get your face wiped.
See, that's the nastiest thing he do right there. Look at this. I can dig in his hair. And then he want to lick it. What y'all think that's about? Hold his mouth. Crazy dog.
I'm going for the ears. Let's do the ears, Shadow. Stop. Now, why did you do that?
No. No.
Stop, Shadow. Let me do your ear.
No. What are you doing? Crazy dog.
Not even that big of a deal. No. One more. One more.
No. You're like, get these paws up off me. As soon as you move it.
Boom. See? That wasn't hard, was it? Done.
Mm-hmm. It wasn't bad, was it, y'all? He was becoming an old dog, set in his ways. He was already messed up. Man, he's just down centralized.
Please stop saying this ridiculous, horrible stuff. Speaking curses over. Your paws was really dirty, Shadow. When I dumped out the water, it was all kind of crumbs in there.
Record him for a second. From this angle.
It was all kind of little crummies.
You know what's up? Where he get this biting stuff from with the towels and stuff? Cause I can come out the shower, he'll try to take my towel from me. Then he get,
He done ran off with a couple of my towels.
His elbows ugly.
Yeah.
That's what happened with every dog that I ever had. Their elbows get ugly.
He's not like he on a concrete laying down. He's on carpet and his bed.
Is he smiling? Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Now this is where, like I said, lion bite you. This is what they want to go for with these animals. They take this skin off.
Okay,
first.
Larry. Don't nobody want
You ain't know that?
I don't care. I don't care to know. You tripping. You enjoying this, Shadow?
What's that sign? Just to wake them up.
Like, really?
See, he's scratching at you, ain't he? You ever pet his stomach? Feel this stuff right here?
Mm-hmm. Oh, a lot.
It feel interesting. I can see why I want to get this part.
Why are you talking about that? Could you stop? Honestly.
So who you think will win between Shadow and the lion?
Larry, a lion is gonna... Oh, Larry,
It's
I don't want to
lose because I'm going to be right there. I'm a human. I got something for that lion. And plus, the lions be lying, don't they? Do they be lying like Shadow be lying? See how he lying right now? What else kind of lying was you thinking I was talking about? Smelling that. Scratch that action. Shadow, did you fart, bro? Just going like this, making you fart, huh? Oh, that's all chest action. I used to think this was all fat.
No, that's his chest.
See, here's his stomach right here.
Yeah, I know.
That's all his chest right there.
That's why
this the real,
his chest
I'm going up under his rib now. He in pain, but he ain't gonna show you nothing.
Oh, Larry. Oh, Lord.
I'm just playing, Courtney.
You just so inappropriate.
Is this inappropriate? You see all the skin? We need to fill that skin up.
No, you don't.
It can't be filled up, huh? Shadow having the time of his life right now. Really relaxed, bro. Like, seriously. You had a hard day last night? Look at him breathing. Okay. All right. It ain't. Oh, okay. All right, y'all. This is another episode of Shadow and me with Courtney, and we be the three that do our thing. He had these little designs on him. I didn't know it was all up. Let me see. There go his teeth. I didn't know he had that stuff out on his face until like a couple of days ago. Never paid attention to his face. All right, he's finna cuddle on out, and we up out this piece. You want to put his blanket on him?
I'm just putting. He uses this like a little pillow sometimes.
I'm finna go downstairs.
I took the